Hi guys, this is Ritesh Singh. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do the task that is we have to generate the data in a tabular format but without using Panda. So okay, now coming to the task. Now I'm taking a new Python file, naming it as data. In this, we have to import a package named pretty table. So now go to the terminal, type pip install pretty table. As I've already installed, it is showing requirement already satisfied, but in your computer it will be started downloading, and after completion of download, close the terminal. Now we are importing the which we installed the package name pretty table. Now import pretty table. After importing, so first we'll go with the specifying the column name. Now, for example, my table name is my table. Then using pretty table, I am adding my column names. So what will to add the column names, we have to use arrays. Then we have to name the column name in a string format. For example, I am importing the data of a student. So student name, then his class and his percentage. So for example, our column names are student name, class, percentage. Now after importing the column name, now we will be importing our rows. Add rows. So our table name, in that add row. In this, we will be mentioning the student name Ritesh. So in this X10th. So we are getting error. Why we are getting error? Because we didn't enter the data in array. Array is nothing but in a square brackets. Now class 10th, for example. Okay. Next, my percentage 91.2. It's not real. But again, I'm adding another row. Just for time being, I'm copying and pasting. Naming it as Raj. Let it be in 10th. I mean, using numerical here. Let him just pass. And after adding and specifying the column names, now we have to print it. Just print our table. Our table name is my table. Now just right click on the page and run. See, you can see the data in a tabular format. So thus we got the output in a tabular format. Now I have a task for you guys. As you can see, I'm mentioning in every single line that add row, add row, add row. But you have to find out how to write the code to add a row. Means I'm asking you to do in a single line. I have to add two rows. Like for example, I am using add row, and in that I have to mention Ritesh and Raj, but in a single line. So the here hint is to add rows. Add rows. Clearly understand my term. Add rows. Okay. Now that's all in today's news. I hope you like it, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.
Yeah.